Y'all, today we're going to be looking at the next project for the spring season of the channel. The old FE that was in a video about a year and a half, 2 years ago as a could potential project, but we got too busy. So now here she is, and here's your tour of our project for the season. She is a 360 FE, the numbers matching truck. That carb's not some Chinese carb that came on when I bought it. But the truck is also numbers matching engine, original transmission, everything's original on this truck. So yeah, this is our project for this coming season at the Power Farm. She's got some very unhappy, we're assuming blown head gaskets from when I drove it during the inspection. I saw it has some milky oil in it, which means it most likely has blown head gaskets. So we swapped those on the channel for cheap, because the oil is very milky. We're just going to test it out to make sure that's what it is. She did a new coil to put on the truck. That's one of my add-ons to get run for the inspection. Alternator's new from last year. Belts look good. What annoys me is the coolant looks good. No oil in it, but the oil looks like a milkshake down in here. Look at this oil. Don't know if you can see that, but that is a milkshake. That means it's definitely got either blown head gaskets or a bunch of water's coming in to the block somewhere and getting in there. Either way, it needs to be rectified. So we're swapping that, working on that for sure. I'm assuming it's the head gaskets though, just as the engine's age. So we're swapping that for sure. Yeah. This truck is pretty mint actually for the price we got it for. $1,200 not running. Interior, very minty. Even the wheel looks brand new. Don't mind the wiring. Someone tried to rob it from my old house, so I had to go in and put some Wagos on it to keep her alive, so we can make it run. She's definitely nice. Old school wagon wheels. The exhaust, that's free. Hanging off wrong like that, that's free. Yeah, you got 3 out of 4 wagon wheels on it. The 4th one's in the bed off the bead. I didn't do that, that's how it came. I promise. Yeah. Passenger side of the interior looks surprisingly decent. I don't know what the hell this is. Some kind of part. Right hand top, I don't know what that is. There's the ashtray that's missing out of this hole right here. Free lighter. Crown quality replacement part. Let's see what this is in here. So I have not touched this truck since I drove it home that day. I didn't drive it home, I got it and got a towed home, but I drove it around the farm to make sure it was good before I bought it. It has the outside vent. That seems to actually work too. Wow, that's actually surprising. Most of those are always blown out of these things. Glove box, I know it's already bad as hell. Fully fallen out. I guess all the old cardboard got wet. That's how those were made back in the day. Lovely old truck. Door cards are nice. Windows all actually work. A little bit tight in this one, but it works. So yeah, for $1,200 plus like 120 delivered, or 200 delivered it was, so $400 in total. for the 360 FE, we're going to try to push to 200 miles an hour without swapping its displacement out. So we're not doing 390. Unless the engine's blowing up, they might have to go find a 390, 364, whatever happens. But yeah, this is our baby. The speed project for a low budget 200 mile an hour race car. We have a lot of dreams for this truck, a lot of goals for this truck. And we're going to try our best to do it here on the channel to show you guys how it can be done for cheap. This thing is pretty minty, believe it or not. You know, it doesn't look it in this current condition, all covered in leaves and debris from the yard from all the movement. We had to move. This truck had to move twice in the last 2 years, so it hasn't had time to be worked on at all. The gas tank was all cleaned out and boiled up on me, so it's good gas. Or the tank's good, I mean. The gas probably is not, but the tank is good. No leaks, something like that. Got the old school Craco add-on speakers. Gotta love that. We have original keys too in the house for it. The OG 80s locking gas caps I'll put on there. It does work, which is nice. But I have an actual chrome cap for it to put on it to replace that if this is seized out, just in case. Keep it right there for now. All the fun stuff works, even the lighter turns on this thing. Surprising, I know. But yeah, this is our next big project on the channel. We'll start ordering parts in the coming weeks. You guys will start seeing some stuff happen to this truck. Starting with just a oil change to make sure that it is a blown head gasket. You don't want to start tearing apart this original engine just to find out later that it was actually not even blown up. That would be really sad. Good old race truck. Gotta love this old school wheel. It's original too. It's in good shape. Blinker's actually work in this truck too, actually. Pretty much everything on this truck surprisingly works. Even the parking brake works in this thing, which is wild. So yeah, this is gonna be our upcoming big project for a cheap refurbishment / upgrading to make it go 200. That's the goal. 200 miles an hour without swapping out a 360. I hear it's impossible. We're gonna try it anyway. If it is impossible, it's impossible. But we're gonna try. See y'all next time on the next video to see what we're gonna work on, either the generator, the tractor, this one, the Tahoe, or the old diesel. So we'll work on something next week. And y'all will see it here. Be there or be square. Alright, y'all. Keep throwing knuckles, keep throwing wrenches, and have a good old day.